Here is a wonderful 2016 Subaru Crosstrek. With less than 150,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. Make every project a breeze in this versatile Crosstrek. Whether you choose the plug-in hybrid or gasoline-powered model, you'll love the all-weather capability and spacious cargo capacity of this can-do crossover. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: keyless entry, fog lamps, heated mirrors, satellite radio, electronic stability control, aluminum wheels, heated front seat, alarm, blind spot monitor, steering wheel audio controls. This affordable, well-built Crosstrek won't last long. Why not take it out for a spin? Our team will give you an outstanding test drive experience. Stop in today.